pomelo, mango. We have coconut. Ayan guys, coconut. A mango. And pili. And what else? Cassava. Ayan, we have cassava here. And the green tangerine, guys. Ayun o. Ayan ang green tangerine. We have banana also. Ayan. The banana is over there. Cannot see. And I'm gonna show you the cacao, the pure chocolate, the one we make hot choco. See? A lot of cacao. Ayan guys, it's a cacao, a chocolate. See? A lot of ripe cacao over there. Ay. Moringa leaves, ayan. It's a healthy vegetable, guys. And aside from moringa, we have this. Alam mo kung ano to? Ito ay tanglad. A lemongrass. A lemongrass. And we have pineapple. Pineapple is over there. Wait a moment. There's a pineapple over here. Last time, I was planting the pineapple. See? Here. See, there's a lot of pineapple. And the banana. See? The pomelo a lot. See the pomelo? A pomelo. Ayan na. A lot. Ang daming bunga. And this is the ubi. Ayan. We have ubi here. Ubi. So, madami tayong makukutkot. Kapag may itanim, may aanihin. Ayan no. Yung mangga niya, nalalaglag lang. From upstairs. Sayang. It's a mango, guys. It's a mango. Cacao. Pomelo. Yummy.